Why do we need to innovate consistently? Why can't we just launch a product and leave it alone? Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. In this episode, we're going to talk about innovation lifecycle using a model called the S-curve. Why is it called the S-curve? Because it is shaped like a letter S. In running a business, there will always be a need to launch new innovative products. Without innovation, our business will be lost. Without innovation, it is hard to grow a business because our product will be outdated and get lost to competitors. The S-curve model is a concept that is widely used across the industries to explain the innovation lifecycle phenomenon. There are three phases in the S-curve concept: startup, stagnation. The graphical shape is just like letter S, starting from startup, scale up, and stagnation. In those phases, the level of investments and incomes are changing. In the initial phase, we invest a lot of money, but the income is still low. But on the other hand, once the product has already matured, the investment is already minimum, but the income will be much higher. Start up. This is the phase when the new product is just being launched to the market. The investment expenditure is huge because we just produced the market. There's inventory costs. We may have advertisement in the media, so this media spending is also high. But at the same time, the income will still be lower because consumers are not yet buying the product a lot. Scale up. This is the phase when the new product is already accepted by the consumers. This is the time when the revenue, the income, will grow significantly. And at the same time, the investment, the product cost, the media money may not be that high as per the previous phase. Stagnation. This is the phase where the revenue and the profit is already reaching its peak potential. In the stagnation phase, the investment is already minimum, but we will start facing a decline in terms of revenue. If this stagnation phase is not anticipated, our business will start to decline. This is dangerous. As an example, Apple's iPhone. Apple always innovates its iPhone from the very beginning until now, iPhone 14. Even though sometimes the upgraded features are just so-so, but it doesn't matter. Consumers like new features anyway. So once again, there are three phases of innovation lifecycle: startup, scale up, stagnation. And before your product is reaching the stagnation phase, you need to anticipate that by already launching a new innovation. Otherwise, your business will start to decline. How about you? How often do you innovate to stay competitive in the marketplace? Please write in the comment sections below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.